Ever heard of a town where you're not allowed to die? It sounds like something out of a horror movie, but it's totally real. In a tiny Norwegian town called Longyearbyen, there's a very strange rule. Dying is forbidden. Why? Well, back in the 1900s, scientists made a chilling discovery. The bodies in the town's cemetery weren't decomposing. The ground is permafrost, it's permanently frozen solid. Because of this, the government banned burials completely. So if someone gets seriously ill, they're actually flown off the island to spend their final days elsewhere. Imagine living somewhere that's literally too cold for death. Spooky, right?